Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure the game and controller are ready. This prevents settings from resetting later. Open the main menu, then go straight to Settings and choose Controls or Gameplay. Once there, scan for options labeled Auto Shoot, Auto Fire, or Assist. Different games use different names. You want the exact toggle or drop-down. Note whether it's global or per weapon. If you see a confirmation prompt, make no changes yet. Observe the current state so you can revert if needed. Now you will turn Auto Shoot off and adjust related settings so behavior is consistent. Select the Auto Shoot toggle and switch it to off. If it's a percentage slider, slide to 0%. Next, reduce or disable Aim Assist and recheck mouse/controller sensitivity so manual aiming works as expected. Once changed, use the menu's Save or Apply button. Don't assume autosave runs. Also inspect mode-specific presets like Ranked or Training. Make the same change there. Finish by testing immediately in a private match or training area to confirm Auto Shoot stays off. This validates your changes under live input. If Auto Shoot persists, reset control bindings to default and reapply changes. As a deeper step, reinstall or update controller drivers and check for third-party macro tools. If problems continue, clear the game cache or verify integrity of game files to remove corrupted settings. If none of these work, contact support with your device, game version, and steps you tried.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.